Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I'm going to talk to you about the waterless car wash that I use on all my vehicles. So let's get to it. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So what I get is the Chemical Guys waterless car wash. This stuff works pretty good. I first got it in this little squirt bottle, and it really kind of wears out your hands squirting this all over the vehicle. But then I went ahead and got it in this big gallon jug, and it's much better. You're going to need more. This is enough to do about one sedan. Wasn't enough to do the Tundra, maybe close. I think I got the Tundra with a full bottle. But anyways, so instead of refilling that little thing all the time, I also bought this right here. This is one of these pump things, kind of like what you use to fill with bug spray or bleach to bleach your fence or like that. But this is great. It holds about, I don't know, 48 ounces, whatever that is. 1,420 milliliters. Anyway, so this just pumps up, and then you just spray it, and it sprays out. Great for this waterless car wash or detailing. Like if you had some other type of detailing chemical for your vehicle, these things work great, and they spray a lot out, so it really helps. So I'll put that here. So let me tell you how this stuff works. So what I do is I make sure there isn't any like salt on the car or heavy grit or mud or anything like that. If I'm gonna do this, maybe I will wait till it rains, and that has been the case. That it'll rain, it'll wash all that grit off the truck, and then what I'll do is the truck will be dry the next day, and then I just come out and I start spraying this, and I do one body panel at a time, so it's pretty easy. And you basically spray down the body panel, spray a real good coat. You let it kind of sit there a few seconds. And then I take one dry microfiber. Now I'm just going to do a demo here of how I do this. So basically I get this, I spray. You like my sound effect there? And then I come back with a dry, clean microfiber, and I sit there and I do this, and I get all that dirt off. Everything. You can spray this stuff on the glass, on the plastic, on your wheels. I use it on my wheels. Everything. I don't spray it directly on the brake, the disc that my car has, the rotors or anything, because you shouldn't put chemicals on those. So, but anyways, so I do this. I wipe it down. This is my first pass. That one's done. Toss that one. Then I get another one. Dry, clean one. And then I polish it. And I use this on everything. The glass, the black plastic stuff, tail lights, the headlights, grill, and it works great. Now, if you have a black painted vehicle, which I do have a black painted vehicle, I have used this on it and it works great. But just make sure there's no grit on it, because it will, if you scratch black paint, everything and anything will show up. So basically what I did was, after a good hard rain overnight, I let the vehicle dry, then I hit it with the leaf blower, dried it off some more, and then I used it. It was fine. And it made the car look awesome. So, I use it on all my vehicles. Just read the directions. Everything's great. Like I said, you want to use one microfiber cloth after you spray to get that dirt off, and then another one to polish. And it looks great. It does such a great job. And on the windows, what it'll do is you'll just have to rub the windows a few times, and with the first one, and then do it again to dry it, and there won't be any streaks or anything. Works great. I've used this in all temperatures. Now, in the direct sunlight, it does dry pretty quick. I wouldn't say it dries quick, not fast. So you gotta be on it. If you're gonna spray your hood, go ahead and be ready to wipe it down, because it will dry, and you don't want to leave it on your vehicle like any chemical. Uh, but it works great. And so I've done it in the summer, I've done it in the winter. I just did this one, and I will show you some close-ups of this. And I've done my roof rack. I do everything, the bumpers, everything with this stuff. But I just wanted to give you kind of a rundown of how this works. It's a great product. I don't know if there's anyone else out there that makes a waterless car wash. I've always used this Chemical Guys. It's a, what do they call it? A hydrophobic technology, synthetic gloss enhancer. Um, it's just an easy way to do it, especially in the winter when your hose is frozen, or if you don't have one. Say you live in an apartment complex or a condominium and you don't have a hose, you can use this stuff. Just remember, get the grit off the car. Do it after it rains. You see it's going to be a couple of weeks of sunshine after a good rain, and most of the heavy grits off your car. Use this stuff, and it will make your car look new. Love this stuff. So, anyways, get you one of these. This helps. Look at what I got here. I've got a little spray bottle. I've got a jug, and I've got a bunch of microfiber cloths. I'd get you a couple of dozen. They're pretty cheap. I'll put links to all this stuff under the video in the description. These are, I'm not sure who makes these. I've got a couple of dozen. They work great. And let that plane fly by. Okay, plane's gone. All right, so anyhow, there you have it. That's what I use to detail my vehicles in the winter, even in the summer. If I haven't had time to do a full wash on a vehicle, which takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours, I can do this in an hour. I can do the truck in an hour 15. If I'm really getting on it, and it's a workout, but it's fun to do. So everybody likes a clean car. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked me updating you and telling you a little more details about this waterless car wash. It's pretty cool stuff I discovered, and it works great. Links under the video in the description. Check it out. And I've got more videos coming on the Tundra, some interesting things that have been sent to me from other companies. And, I'm going to do some review on some of those. And, check it out. Please subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It motivates me to do more videos. And I will see you next time. See ya. So here you go. Check this out. Look how shiny that is. It gets the bumper real black. Keeps the fender flares black. You go up here to the topper. Everything looks really, really squared away here. You go up here to the topper and check it out. Everything's really shiny. I mean, it really is amazing on how good this stuff works. Let's go down a little bit. Show you some more. Trying to keep this focused here. Door handles makes them real black. Everything just looks really good. And like I said, if you have some residue, like these little spots, look at that. You can just wipe them away, just like that. You got a little overspray on the windows. Comes right off, not a problem. Just look how shiny this is. This is not a new vehicle. This is the original paint. I mean, it is shiny. Let's look at the front. Gets the grill all nice and black. Of course, that takes forever to wipe down, but good job. Takes forever to get that grill black, but looks good when it's done. And let's take a look at the wheels down here. Shines those up good. I haven't done the wheel tubs with the stuff yet. That'll be next. I'm sure they'll turn black too and look just as good. Yeah, this looks great. Gets it all shiny. Then you can wipe any overspray off that you got on there. You know, do your mirrors, everything. Look at that. Really silky. It's a good job.